Hello there. So you want to know how you can use the Grubhub Rewards? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open your Grubhub application. Once you've done that, make sure you're already logged in into your account and simply tap on accounts right over here. Now, this is exactly where you can go ahead and play around with your rewards. So the first thing is going to be your gift cards. You can either buy a gift card or redeem one right over here, or you could also go to offers, and then for example you can join your Grubhub Plus for more offers and more rewards right over here. As you can see, like exclusive offers, zero delivery on eligible orders, and many more. The other thing you can do is simply when ordering, so for example, let me just go ahead and go here and simply go ahead into this right over here. Now what I can do is simply go ahead and add a promo code, and these are the rewards. As you can see, you can simply go ahead and select any one of them and apply in order to get a discount. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the